All right, this is Thursday. Let's start with rhyme production. Today's rhyme is off. Okay, off. An example might be cloth. I used a washcloth. Okay, see if you can think of even one more for off. Okay, maybe you thought of moth, sloth, or broth. Okay, it's a tough one, that's okay. This one's a little easier. See if you can come up with a word that rhymes with ouch. I want to give you a hint. What about something you sit on? Ouch. Maybe you thought of couch, pouch, slouch, crouch. Okay, now we're doing which word begins like. Which word begins like whisper? Kitten or whisker? Whisker. Which word begins like shower? Short or two? Short. Which word begins like that? There or tackle? There. Which word begins like shamrock? Supper or shaker? Shaker. Which word begins like chestnut? Chalk or purple? Chalk. Very good. Okay, we're going to blend. Melt. Wilt. Wilt. Gasp. Gasp. Lend. Lend. Lint. Lint. Pink. Pink. Bond. Bond. Bunk. Okay, we're doing phoneme location. You tell me if you hear the sound at the beginning of the word, in the middle of the word, or at the end of the word. Okay. Oh, we've got all different sounds today, so you'll need to listen carefully. First, where do you hear the sound th? Okay, here's the word. Thought. Thought. Beginning. Where do you hear the sound ch? Chicken. Chicken. Beginning. Where do you hear the sound ch? Marched. Marched. Middle. Where do you hear the sound sh? Wishbone. Middle. Where do you hear the sound th? Something. Middle. Where do you hear the sound th? Weather. Middle. Where do you hear the sound ch? Much. Ending. Very good. I think we're getting better at that. Okay, we're segmenting. Get your choppers out. Lift. Lift. Milk. Milk. Hand. Hand. Help. Help. Film. Raft. Aft. Went. Went. Dump. D, M, P. Very good. Okay, we're going to add our initial phoneme. When I go like this, you blend together. Then I will tell you what the word is. We're starting with own. Add gr to the beginning to make grown. We have the word ein. Add sp to the beginning to make spine. We have air. Add th to the beginning to make there. We have in. Add ch to the beginning to make chin. We have ache. Add br to the beginning to make break. We have arc. Add sh to the beginning to make shark. We have eam. Add cr to the beginning to make cream. Very good. Okay, now we're deleting. We have the word brave without br. What's left? Ave. We have the word thin without th. What's left? In. We have the word price without pr. What's left? Ice. We have the word thunder without th. What's left? Under. We have the word gripe without gr. What's left? Ipe. We have the word plum without pl. What's left? We have the word shin without sh. What's left? In. We have the word step without st. What's left? Ep. Okay, last one, substituting. We have the word beast. Change b to f. And what's the word? Feast. We have the word range. Change to ch. And what's the word? Change. We have the word dust. Change d to j. And what's the word? Just. We have the word known. Change n to sh. And what's the word? Shown. We have the word gift. Change g to s. And what's the word? Sift. We have the word pant. Change p to and what's the word? Rant. We have the word lunch. Change to and what's the word? Munch. Okay, great job. We'll see you tomorrow, which is Friday.